Hey guys, Rick Copley here. I'm going to talk to you real quick about weightlifting today. Weightlifting is a cool component of fitness, and it's something a lot of people want to do. There are basically three reasons why people will lift weights. Number one, it's measurable. So you go and lift weights, you bench press 100 pounds. When you come back next week, do 110, you've now had a small success, so that's cool. It's measurable. Number two is it's socially acceptable. In other words, everybody lifts weights, right? That's how you get healthy and fit. You lift weights. See it on TV, every gym you walk into, there's weight training equipment. People lift weights because it's socially acceptable. Number three, it's easy. And it's not easy per se. Obviously, lifting weights is hard. Gets you a little out of breath. Muscles get sore and tired. But it's not killer. It's not hard. It's not doing a hard functional workout. The reality is this. Weight training is cool. It is a component of fitness, but it's a component. It's not everything. If you want to be fit, you want to be healthy, you need to add intensity to your workouts. You can do weightlifting, but you have to do something with it that complements it from the cardiovascular standpoint. You need to get out of breath. You need to be tired. My quick tip for the day, a couple great things going on with us. Tonight, Wednesday, May 7th, 8 o'clock, we're doing a webinar, the 10 secrets to a hot beach body. Check that out if you want to learn how to get that beach body this summer. And then Saturday, we're doing a grand opening with ASM Fitness where we do our workouts here in Eustis. And we're doing a grand opening, 9 o'clock to 1 o'clock. It's 34 Ohio Boulevard in Eustis. Check that out. Hope you enjoyed today's message. Like and share on Facebook and social media. We'd appreciate that. Have a great day.